In today's video, I'm going to show you how to lock cells in Google Sheets. Let's say you're working on a sheet and you just want to lock or protect a cell or a group of cells. Here's how to do it. First, select the cell that you want to lock or protect. Go to the menu bar in Data. Click on that. And right here, you'll see Protect Sheets and Ranges. On the right side, you'll see a side panel appear. Click on Add a Sheet or Range. And you'll see on this part the cell that we've selected, cell A1. You can enter a short description. Let's just say do not edit. Click on Set Permissions. And you'll see here what you can do with the permissions. You can either just show a warning when editing this range or restrict who can edit this range. You can choose only you, and again, you can customize it. Add the people you want who can edit or access this cell. But this time, we'll just click on only you and done. And the changes have been saved, and you'll see them right here. So the only person who can access or edit this cell is you. Let's try that again with a different method. Let's select the next cells that we want to protect or lock. Right-click on the cells, and at the bottom, you'll see View More Cell Actions. Click on that. You'll see all the actions that you can do, but let's go to Protect Range. Click on that. And again, the side panel will appear. Enter another description. Set permissions. And this time, we're going to select Show a Warning when editing this range. Click on Done, and changes saved. Let's try and edit one of the locked cells and see what happens. Let's remove the period. And here you see the warning saying that you're trying to edit a part of the sheet that shouldn't be changed accidentally. Click on Cancel to cancel the edit. Since we're not allowed to edit this, let's cancel. And the cell hasn't been changed. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.